So I thought about this video a lot and what I was going to say, and well, I want to let you know that as a creator and as a marketer, as a business person, we go through these cycles of up and down, and things are working and then they're not working, and then something feels right and then something doesn't feel right. And I've kind of reached that point. I don't know if I would call it burnout, but I think it has a lot to do with what feels right to me and who I can best serve with my message. I'm gonna get into that in a minute, but I wanted to just kind of clear the deck here, let you know that I know that I've been missing inside of the group, and I've been kind of MIA, and I've really just kind of been pondering a lot about where it is that I want to go, what it is that I want to do. Now, I've had a tremendous appreciation for the people that I've served and the clients that I have, and being able to help somebody break through is one of the things that I love to do. I also know that there's something else that's calling to me. I still believe that it's going to be marketing, and I still believe that it's going to be involving serving others and being of service to others. And also I believe that it's also going to be in front of the camera, just like this. I've been giving it a lot of thought, and I'm going to be rebranding Organic Marketing Secrets. It has served me tremendously throughout this past year. I believe that there's a better way to go about what it is that we stand for here. And at the end of the day, what do we stand for? We stand for authenticity. We stand for being truly who you are. We stand for being able to put the right message in front of the right person so that they are able to make a clear, clean conscience buying decision, and so that you can get paid as the marketer, and so that they can get what they want, having their problem solved. And I really don't know. I don't know yet what that rebranding is going to be. That's where I want to ask what your opinion is. What do you think that we could rebrand this group, Organic Marketing Secrets? What do you think would be something that fits in with our values, fits in with who we are, but also maintains a level of professionalism and also maintains kind of who I am? And so that's something that's been weighing on my mind very heavily, and you know, I'm just a dude. I'm just a dude who is trying to find his way. I also, you know, I love to be able to help those who are coming up, obviously, but I also love learning from others as well. I'm not saying that I'm immune to life's ups and downs, but I think that I like to look it square in the eye and say, okay, I see where you're coming from. Now, how can I use this? How can I bend this and use it to my advantage, but also use it in a way to where I feel 100% authentic in who I am and who I'm showing up as. What I'm really trying to say is I'm trying to get to me. What is the essence of who I am? And I really truly believe that it's with a video. It's with video, it's being able to tell a story, it's incorporating all the different types of lenses and shots and different camera angles and the sound and the music, and just putting together a story in maybe a short vignette. I know that I can do that. And I'm gonna be devoting more of my time to really helping others develop their video capabilities as well. And I know that I have a unique talent, but also a skill that I've developed, a skill that I love to do. I love to do video. I love shooting videos. I love going out and just kind of seeing what the day brings. And I know that nothing gets me fired up than to just grab my camera and go and just kind of figure it out. And I don't know if there's any other video marketers that are quite doing it like the way that I foresee myself doing it. So, I mean, at the end of the day, Some of you are here because you're here for the organic content, and some of you are here because you just like me and you want to see what's going on with me. And I'm not saying that because I think that I'm so special, but I think that over the last year, we've developed a sort of relationship here inside of the group, whether it's through a challenge, whether it's through maybe you've been a client, you've bought one of the programs that we offer, any part of that, you have helped create that. And it's been kind of this dialogue, this conversation back and forth between you and between me. And I want to bring my best, and I'm a perfectionist, I am. But I also know that perfection doesn't exist. But I don't want to put out content that is subpar. I don't think anybody wants to put out content that's subpar. I fully believe in one and go, recording sessions. But I also believe that there is a time for tight video content. And I think that now's the time. I don't see very many people who have the capabilities that I have, that are using it in a video marketing way, and I want to be able to tell that story. I want to be able to help other entrepreneurs do that too. And it's kind of scary to say that because I've built up this entire group around organic marketing secrets, and I've built up this whole use Facebook in a way so you don't have to pay for ads, and that has more and more not felt right to me. Because the more that I go along my entrepreneurial journey, the more that I see that you absolutely do need to invest in ads. You do need to invest in your business. I have tremendous amount of respect for people who are trying to pull themselves up by the bootstraps. But I also know that there's a certain level, there's a certain consciousness that happens inside of a business owner who wants to grow beyond those small beginnings. I don't think that anybody's ever meant to kind of stay where they're at. And so I guess what I'm saying at the end of the day is that I know that I've been MIA, but I'm also finding myself. I'm also trying to do what's right by my own internal compass, and sometimes sometimes it's not clear. Sometimes you've got to go walk in the desert and find yourself. I'm referring to 40 years in the desert, but you know what I mean. That's kind of stupid. What I'm saying is that I appreciate you immensely. The group name is going to change. I don't know yet what that's going to be. There's going to be less live videos. There's going to be more of these types of videos, and I hope you really like them. I'm also going to be doing it over on YouTube. So what I post over on YouTube is what I'm going to post over here. If you feel called, feel free to reach out. Feel free to comment on this video. Feel free to send me a private message. And just know that I haven't had you out of my mind. You've definitely been on my mind. So with that being said, I'm gonna get back to it, and I hope that you support me, and I hope that you stick around. And I appreciate you for being here, for being a member, and I also appreciate you for watching my videos and for just being somebody who likes to see what's going on in another person's life, but also be here for the content as well. That's it, guys. I appreciate you. I'm Ben Perry, and I'll talk to you next time.